Condo unit na walking distance sa LRT station? Yes, meron kami yan. Welcome to Kalinea Tower by DMCI Homes. Just a few steps away from Monumental LRT station in Caloocan. Perfect for students, professionals, and investors dahil malapit ito sa schools, malls, hospitals, at major road like EDSA and Rizal Avenue. Resort-style amenities? Check. Spacious units? Check. Pet-friendly community? Check. Reserve your unit today for only 20,000 pesos. Monthly down payment starts at 18,200 lang. Message me now to get a sample computation and to schedule your site tripping. Huwag magpahuli habang affordable pa ang terms. For more details to all DMCA Homes projects, you can contact me here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!